Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. This is for mathematics, class 4th, chapter 2, money. This is our summary lecture. Topics to be covered: introduction, conversion of rupees into paise and paise into rupees, operations on money, preparing bills, profit and loss. Introduction: money. Money, everyone uses money for buying and selling things. It is expressed in terms of rupees and paise. We use symbols rupees for rupees and p for paise. Okay, beta, everyone uses money for what? For buying and selling things. Okay, and it is expressed in terms of rupees and paise. Okay, मनी को हम किस टर्म में यूज करते हैं? रुपीज और पैसे के टर्म में यूज करते हैं, एक्सप्रेस करते हैं. ओके, और हम कौन से सिंबल्स यूज करते हैं? फॉर रुपीज वी यूज दिस सिंबल. ओके, एंड फॉर पैसे वी यूज P. Clear? 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. Clear? This is symbol of rupees and this is symbol of paise. Clear? 1 rupee में कितने पैसे होते हैं बेटा? 100. Conversion of money. Rupees into paise. To convert rupees into paise, we multiply the number of rupees by 100. Okay, when we convert rupees into paise, then we multiply the number of rupees by 100. We know that 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. Okay. For example, rupees 5 equal to 5 multiplied by 100 paise equal to 500 paise. Okay, as you know, 1 rupee equal to 100 paise, then 5 rupees equal to 5 multiplied by 100 paise equal to 500 paise. As I told you, beta, when we convert rupees into paise, then we multiply the number of rupees by 100. So here we have multiplied 5 by 100. Okay, 5 multiplied by 100 equal to 500 paise. Conversion of money. See here, rupees and paise into paise. To convert rupees and paise into paise, we multiply the number of rupees by 100 and add paise with the product. Clear? When we convert rupees and paise into paise, we always multiply the number of rupees by 100. Okay, then we add paise with the product. Clear? With example, I will teach you this concept. Example, convert 7 rupees and 85 paise into paise. Rupees 7 and 85 paise equal to 7 multiplied by 100 paise plus 85 paise equal to 700 paise plus 85 paise equal to 785 paise. Clear? Beta, when we convert rupees and paise into paise, we multiply the number of rupees by 100. Okay, here number of rupees is 7. We have multiplied it by 100. Okay, 7 multiplied by 100 equal to 700. This is our product. Okay, then we will add paise with the product. Here our paise number is 85. So we have added 85 in 700. 700 paise plus 85 paise equal to 785 paise. Clear? Conversion of money. Paise into rupees. To convert paise into rupees, we divide the number by 100. ओके, जब हम पैसों को रुपयों में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो हम क्या करते हैं, नंबर को 100 से डिवाइड करते हैं. ओके, एग्जाम्पल, convert 8,000 paise into rupees. 8,000 divided by 100 equal to rupees 80. Clear? When beta we convert paise into rupees, then we divide the number by 100. So here we have divided 8,000 by 100. Our answer is rupees 80. Operations on money. Question number 1. Cost of 3 balls is rupees 27. What is the cost of 10 balls? What has asked in this given question, beta? In this question, 3 balls cost is given. You have to find out the cost of 10 balls. Clear? So here in solution, we will write cost of 3 balls equal to rupees 27. Then we have to find out the cost of 1 ball. Cost of 1 ball equal to rupees 27 divided by 3 equal to rupees 9. क्लियर? बेटा 3 बॉल्स की कॉस्ट है 27 रुपीज, तो एक बॉल की कितनी कॉस्ट होगी, रुपीज 9. Okay, now here we will write cost of 10 balls equal to rupees 9 multiply by 10 equal to rupees 90. Okay, so what is the cost of 10 balls? Cost of 10 balls is rupees 90. Clear? Our answer is rupees 90. Operations on money. Now we will solve here question number 2. Manu got rupees 500 from his father as pocket money. He buys a bag for rupees 206 and a game for rupees 153. How much money is he left with. क्लियर? बेटा मनु ने अपने पापा से एज अ पॉकेट मनी ₹500 लिए. ओके. और उन 500 रुपीज में से मनु ने एक बैग खरीदा और उस बैग की कॉस्ट है ₹206 और एक गेम खरीदी. उस गेम की कॉस्ट है ₹153. अब आपको ये बताना है कि बेटा मनु के पास कितने रुपए बच गए. क्लियर? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट सॉल्यूशन. मनी स्पेंट ऑन बैग एंड गेम. ओके. मनु ने बैग और गेम पर कितने रुपए खर्च किए? Money spent on bag ₹206 and money spent on game ₹153. Then we will add them. Equal to ₹206 plus ₹153 equal to ₹359. Clear? Now we will write here money left with Manu equal to ₹500 minus ₹359 equal to ₹141. Okay. Our answer is ₹141. Clear? Now beta, our given topic is preparing bills. So we will solve here question number 3. Prepare bills for shopping at below venue. Flower shop में बेटा 4 red roses at ₹13.57 each, 2 pink roses at ₹5.14 each, and 3 white roses at ₹4.29 each. क्लियर? फ्लावर शॉप पर बेटा 4 रेड रोजेज हैं और ईच रेड रोज की कॉस्ट है ₹13.57 और 2 पिंक रोजेज हैं और ईच पिंक रोज की कॉस्ट है ₹5.14 और 3 वाइट रोजेज हैं और ईच वाइट रोज की कॉस्ट है ₹4.29. So we have to prepare bills. Okay, for preparing bill, we have to make this format. Here in the first box we will write quantity, then description, here cost per item, and here we will write total cost. Clear? Now here beta flower shop में 4 red roses हैं. ओके. और एक रेड रोज की कॉस्ट है ₹13.57. So here in quantity we will write 4. Here in description red rose और 1 red rose की कॉस्ट है ₹13.57. Clear? After that it is written here 2 pink roses. 2 pink roses हैं और एक पिंक रोज की कॉस्ट है ₹5.14. So here in quantity we will write 2, in description pink rose. Okay. Then here we will write ₹5.14. Clear? Or and means or 3 white roses हैं. Each white rose cost is ₹4.29. So here in quantity we will write 3, in description white rose, and here cost per item में हम लिखेंगे ₹4.29. Okay. Then here we will write total. Clear? Now beta we have to find out the total cost of red rose. Okay. Red roses, pink roses, and white roses. Clear? Cost of 1 red rose is ₹13.57. Then we have to find out cost of 4 red roses. So we will do multiplication here. ₹13.57 multiplied by 4. 4 7 the 28. Write 8 here. Carry 2 here above 5. 5 4 the 20 plus carry 2 22. Write 2 here and carry 2 here above 3. Then put point here. 4 3 the 12 plus carry 2 14, write 4 here, carry 1 here above 1, 4 1 the 4 plus carry 1 5, write 5 here. Now here with 54 we will write unit rupees. Okay, now cost of 4 red roses is rupees 54.28. In another way we can say that rupees 54 paise 28. Clear? Now here beta, cost of one pink rose is given rupees 5.14 and we have to find out cost of two pink roses. So we will do multiplication here. Rupees 5.14 multiply by 2. 2 4 the 8, write 8 here. 2 1 the 2, write 2 here. Then put point here. 2 5 the 10, write 10 here. So with the 10 we will write unit rupees. So cost of two pink roses is rupees 10.28. Clear? In another way, you can say that rupees 10 paise 28. Clear? Now here beta, cost of one white rose is rupees 4.29 and we have to find out the cost of three white roses. Now we will do multiplication here. Rupees 4.29 multiply by 3. 3 9 the 27, write 7 here, carry 2 here above 2. 3 to the 6 plus carry 2, 8, right? 8 here. Okay, then we have to put a point here. 3 4 the 12, write 12 here. With the 12 we have to write unit rupees. So cost of 3 white roses is rupees 12.87. Clear? In another way you can say that rupees 12.12 paise 87. Clear? Now beta, we have found total cost of 4 red roses, 2 pink roses and 3 white roses. Okay. अब हम बेटा rupees 54 पैसे 28, rupees 10 पैसे 28 और rupees 12 पैसे 87 इन तीनों का grand total निकालेंगे. Clear? Now we will add them. Clear? 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 7, 23. Carry 2 here above 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus carry 2, 14. Write 4 here. Carry 1 here above 4. Then put point here. Now 4 plus 0, 4. Plus 2, 6. 6 plus carry 1, 7. Write 7 here. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Write 7 here. Okay, now here with 77 we will write unit rupees. Okay, now our answer is rupees 77.43. Okay, in another way we can say that rupees 77 paise 43. Now beta, in our given topic profit and loss, we will solve question number 4. A boy sold his old bicycle for rupees 1256. If he get a loss of rupees 780, find the CP of the bicycle. What does it mean? एक बॉय ने बेटा एक अपनी पुरानी साइकिल रुपीज 1256 में बेची और अगर उसको बेटा लॉस हुआ है रुपीज 780 का, तो आपको साइकिल का क्या निकालना है? यू हैव टू फाइंड द सीपी ऑफ बाइसिकल. ओके, सीपी फुल फॉर्म इज कॉस्ट प्राइस. क्लियर? नाउ वी विल डू सॉल्यूशन हियर. HP of bicycle equal to rupees 1256. Loss equal to CP minus SP. Okay. CP equal to SP plus loss equal to rupees 1256 plus rupees 780 equal to rupees 2036. Okay. As you know, beta, our SP selling price is rupees 1256 and loss is rupees 780. So we will add them. After adding, we got answer rupees 2036. Clear? Our answer is CP of bicycle equal to rupees 2036. Clear? Understood everybody? Today's homework is beta, you have to do assignment. Okay, I will upload assignment in WhatsApp group as well as on Adquark also. Okay, and you have to do assignment carefully. Okay. Now beta, we will discuss homework solutions exercise 2C which I had assigned in homework. Question number 2. A sari was bought for rupees 16,730 and sold for rupees 18,132. Find the profit or loss. Clear? बेटा what has asked in this given question, एक साड़ी जो कि खरीदी गई थी ₹16,730 में और उसको बेचा गया ₹18,132 में, तो आपको ये बताना है कि इसमें प्रॉफिट हुआ या लॉस हुआ. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट सॉल्यूशन. गिवन CP means cost price is rupees 16,730 or SP means selling price rupees 18,132. Okay, then since SP is greater than CP, so person makes a profit. Okay, हमारा सेलिंग प्राइस कॉस्ट प्राइस से ज्यादा है. ओके, कॉस्ट प्राइस कितना है ₹16,730 और सेलिंग प्राइस कितना है ₹18,132. तो बेटा आर सेलिंग प्राइस इज ग्रेटर देन कॉस्ट प्राइस, सो पर्सन मेक्स अ प्रॉफिट. तो पर्सन को क्या हुआ? प्रॉफिट हुआ. सो प्रॉफिट इक्वल टू SP minus CP equal to rupees 18,132 minus rupees 16,730. So we will do subtraction here. Okay. 2 minus 0, 2, write 2 here. 3 minus 3, 0, write 0 here. Here 1 is written, here 7 is written. We can't subtract this 7 from 1 as 1 is smaller than 7. Okay, so this 1 will take borrow from this number. So this number will become 7 and this 1 will become 11. Now we can easily subtract this 7 from 11. 11 minus 7, 4, write 4 here. 7 minus 6, 1, write 1 here. 1 minus 1, 0, write 0 here. Okay, beta. So here we have to put equal to sign. Then we will write here rupees 1,402. Our answer is profit equal to rupees 1,402. Clear? Have you cross-checked, beta? Solution? Good. Now here in homework solutions, exercise 2C, we will discuss question number 3. A boy bought 5 bags of wheat for rupees 88 per bag and sold them for rupees 742. Find his profit or loss. What has asked in this given question बेटा, एक बॉय ने 5 bags of wheat खरीदे. Okay, and each bag cost is rupees 88 और उसने उस बैग को rupees 742 में सोल्ड कर दिया. अब आपको ये बताना है कि उसको प्रॉफिट हुआ या लॉस हुआ. लेट्स स्टार्ट सॉल्यूशन. CP of one bag of wheat equal to rupees 88. Okay, cost price one bag of wheat कितना है बेटा, rupees 88. Then CP of 5 bags of wheat equal to rupees 88 multiply by 5 equal to rupees 440. Clear? Then we will write given CP rupees 440, okay, and SP rupees 742. Clear? Since SP is greater than CP, so boy makes a profit. Okay, cost price हमारा है rupees 440 और सेलिंग प्राइस है rupees 742. तो हमारा SP जो है वो CP से बड़ा है, ज्यादा है. ओके, तो बॉय को क्या हुआ, प्रॉफिट हुआ. So profit equal to SP minus CP equal to rupees 742 minus rupees 440. Clear? After subtracting, our answer is rupees 302. When we will subtract rupees 440 from rupees 742, we will get answer rupees 302. Answer profit equal to rupees 302. Clear? Have you cross-checked solution of question 3? Very good. Thank you.